All right, so here we go. Finally in-house, in hand. We got the Nintendo Switch OLED, the white version. And today, this is what we're gonna be unboxing. Let's check it out. All right, so first off, before we get into this box, I know a lot of people have still been having a hard time getting this, but on the inside of this box, you're actually just gonna get the whole shebang. So Nintendo, Joy-Con, wrist straps, dock, everything that you would need to make this work. So everything in this box is going to be what you need to get it going. Nothing else to purchase. All right, so here we go. And you are first greeted by Joy-Con 1 and 2. Now, Joy-Con, let's see, get the paper to the side. Joy-Con are the exact same size as any previous Nintendo Switch model. So that's what we got. Same exact size, but they come in this dope white color. Now, I'm not too sure how this white is gonna hold up over time. Only time will tell. So we will come back and talk about this a little later on. Now, they do have skins out there for your previous Joy-Con if you wanna go and make them this nice white color. But this is what you are going to get for right now out of this box with the Nintendo Switch OLED. Next up, we gotta talk about this piece because this is what we're here for. This is the actual Switch itself. I will turn it on at a later date, but right now we're just unboxing. So I'm gonna come back and do a full breakdown of everything I like and dislike about this. But I love right here, this stand. And it feels like nice and sturdy and it actually clicks open. Yeah. That's nice. Way nicer than what we have on the previous versions of the Switch. Because like one of my Switch, I can't even find the stand. So this is a slot for our SD card. And that's pretty much it. So we will just latch these on the side. And that's what you get right there. Putting this to the side for right now. All right, let's go back into this box and see what else we got. Normal standard instructions, we're gonna leave those in the box because I've had 2 Nintendo Switches now, so know exactly how they work. All right, here we go. They wrap everything so nicely, like, love the presentation. This is the white dock, Nintendo Switch logo on the front, USB on the side, standard USB. Let's open this up. Oh, this whole back piece comes off. It doesn't just fold down. So probably gonna make it a little bit easier to plug your things up and then just snap it back onto the back. But you do have a spot for the AC adapter, HDMI out, and your Ethernet right there. That's one of the biggest upgrades is the Ethernet. Like most people don't plug it directly in, but hey, it's a nice touch. And I like the fact that, you know, on the old Nintendo dock, and I'm breaking this already. All right, there we go. I like the fact that this is here because on the old Nintendo dock, there was like a slot here, then it kind of cut in and it was a slot in the back. So this allows nice free range of motion on that cable in the back. All those cables actually. All right, that's the white dock. Paper to the side, we don't need that. All right, they do provide you with an HDMI cable. Don't need that. They provide you with your standard Switch charging dock brick thingy. You gotta have this for power, but we don't need that right now. And your grip, let's check this out. All right, dope. Nintendo Switch logo right here. And you know, you got lights on the sides and that's what it's going to look like. So let's take these off for right now. And that's how they look in the grip. So nice, tactile, feels really good in the hand, as it should. And then these are your lanyards for your Joy-Con, which I actually have a bunch of these laying around and I really never use them unless I was playing like 1, 2, 3 that first game that came out, and like I got rid of it a long time ago. But Mario Party would probably be a good thing to do with these, but that's what they're gonna look like. That's the function of them. Kids with small hands, this is your best friend right here. Now, the lanyard is nice and braided. I like the feel of that. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break or anything, and that's nice and smooth. Perfect. So this is what you're gonna get out of the box. Try this on just so we see how it fits. There we go. All right. That's what it looks like. That's what you got. All right, so looking at the actual Nintendo itself, you got USB Type-C down bottom. Up top, this is where your game card is gonna go in at. You got headphone jack, volume rocker, and your power button over here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and power this bad boy up. And there you go. You got the Nintendo logo, and I got fingerprints on it already, but that's what you're going to get. Okay, so that's it. So now I got to put everything in. I got to play it for a little while. Screen already looks really nice and vibrant, nice and vivid. But yeah, got to play it for a little while, put all my information in. And once I get all that stuff done, I will be coming back with another video, basically just telling you guys how I like it, what fits, what doesn't, and if it's one of those things that you probably want to go out and try to stand in line to get, or try to stalk online to get this year. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Just a brief unboxing and quick look at the screen. I will be setting this up. I will be playing this device today just to make sure everything looks good and feels good. But other than that, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Like I said, some people are still having a tough time getting their hands on one of these. So like, keep checking Walmart, keep checking Best Buy. When this one actually came in Walmart, there were only 3 that got shipped to that Walmart. So keep checking, and hopefully you guys will be able to get one if you're looking for one. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.